All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Yeah, this token is up right this second. We're going to go to their Twitter account, check out their website. Also, it's the most viewed token in North America on CoinMarketCap. Pretty freaking awesome on that. We're going to go over that. And Dogelon Mars is still in the top 10 for whales buying Dogelon. So they're still in the top 10. So you got whales like in Dogelon. You got the most viewed token in North America. And dig this. Owning cryptocurrency may make you more desirable on first dates. So if you're on a dating scene and you mention cryptocurrency, or if you put it in your profile, it actually makes you more desirable. We're going to talk about owning cryptocurrency, making you more desirable if you're in the dating scene. All kinds of good stuff going on today in Frank's Crypto Corner. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on the channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Dogelon Mars and check this out. So right here, Dogelon Mars is 132-second cryptocurrency. It's up about 7% in the last 24 hours. We're going to click it. So take a look to the right here. Yep, it's up 6.73%. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different zeros. And at 83.01 is the price. Taking a look in the last 24 hours, the token is up, which is fantastic. It is going up right now. So Dogelon is going up. Checking the holders, checking 3 months. So 3 months ago, we had about 107,000 holders of the Dogelon Mars. 107 went to 128. 21,000 more. 21, about a 17% increase. So about 17% more people holding the Dogelon Mars in the last 90 days than 90 days ago. All right, on the Twitter account right here, this is the part about the whales. Whale stats, the top 1,000 ETH rich list. Elon, Dogelon Mars, is back among the top 10 purchased tokens among the top 1,000 ETH whales. So here you go. You got the 2021 people are out here getting ready to go looking for the whales. Now in 2022, they're pointing them out. There they are. There's the whales. So whales are still liking the Dogelon. And this is the one that we like the most. Top 10 highest viewed coin in North America right here on CoinMarketCap. Take a look here. Dogelon Mars, 67,000 looks. Crypto.com, 7,300. Polygon, 1,300. Solana was at number 2 at 21,000. Cardano, 17,000. Dogecoin, 15,000. Again, Dogelon Mars, 67. And here it is. Dogelon Mars emerges as the most viewed crypto in North America. More people looking at Dogelon Mars than any other coin. That should say something. That should put that on your radar. Inspired by Elon Musk and his favorite crypto, Dogecoin, Dogelon Mars entered the cryptoverse even though the asset ranking over 100 North America seemed to be quite curious about the meme coin. The meme coin buzz was taken over by the entire globe. Almost every meme coin started out as a joke, but eventually ended up gamer, immersed value, and popularity. Similar, Dogelon Mars entered the market alone with a coin like Baby Doge and Satama. So here it is again, the top 10 highest viewed coins in all of North America. We just showed you this right here. There it is, Dogelon Mars, or Elon, the most viewed coin in North America. All right, jumped over here to Crypto Bubbles. I wanted to kind of show you this a little bit. So I got Crypto Bubbles. So in the top 200, Elon is in the top 200. So there it is bouncing around right there. Now I also got Elon in my favorites. So if I go to my favorites, here's Elon. You click it. Now what it says is for the day, it's up 6.5%. For the year, you can't kind of see it. Maybe I'm covered it up. But for the year, Dogelon Mars is up 775%. Fantastic. For the month, it's down 46%. For the week, it's down 6%. But for the day today, it bounced back. Over here to the right, it tells you it's high. You can see it in green with the 933 where it is, where there's your high. The rank is 145. It's got your price right here in your market cap and your 24-hour volume. Up here to the right, I hit the star. So by hitting the star, it keeps me in my favorites. If I went to the top 100, Elon's not going to be in the top 100 because it's in the top 200. If I go ahead and drop it down and do the top 200, now all of a sudden you see Elon bouncing around. Now take a look at this. Here's a perfect example. Peoples, maybe you've never seen it before. You can click it. It's up 1,800% for the year. Maybe you can't see that. But for the week, it's up 48%. So Peoples, that's the nice thing about crypto bubbles. Let's go over here and go to the top 700. In the top 700, look at Astros, minus 67%. This could be a perfect discount buy if you're looking at discount buys, if that was your strategy. You know, if you were looking for, let's take another look at something pretty good. Wing right here is up 22%. Wing, 22%. It's traded $11. So nice thing is you can kind of go down here. You can hit Binance if you want to look at the Binance coins. You know, if you want to go ahead and check FTX, you can check FTX out. Again, I got Elon in my favorites. Let's go do this real quick. Let's go to FTX and let's see. Let's find a token I want to. So maps right here. So let's say I like maps, and I go ahead and I put the star on. Well, now all of a sudden from the FTX, map is in my favorites. So look, I just put maps in my favorites. It's up 84% for the week. It's only down 5% for the year. It's up 49% for the month. I just think this little statistic stats with the crypto bubbles, it makes it very easy to be able to use, track your cryptocurrency, see, you know, put your favorites in there. Just kind of a cool thing. Hey everybody, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So Dogelon Mars, most viewed token in North America by CoinMarketCap, fantastic. And also Dogelon Mars, whales are gobbling it up in the top 10 right this second. All right, they're talking about if you're dating, listing cryptocurrency or talking about cryptocurrency. The one person said if you tell the people you pay your bills with Bitcoin, that makes you desirable. So anyways, let's go ahead and check this out, people that are on the dating scene. Says right here, owning cryptocurrency may make you more desirable on the dating scene, studies find. In the wake of the pandemic, singles are looking for partners with good financial standings. This doesn't just mean having money in the bank these days. It's your investments in digital currency that can set you apart. Holy cow. With Valentine's Day approaching, single men and women are setting their sights on partners who are not just financially stable, but savvy, especially when it comes to digital currency. To the point, 33% of Americans said they would be more likely to go out on a date with somebody who mentioned crypto assets on their online dating profile. Further, nearly 3 in 4 would be interested in a second date with a person who paid their bills in Bitcoin, according to a survey on eToro investing platform. The number of merchants accepting cryptocurrency today is over 100 million, according to the Visa recent earnings. Other digital assets and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are also desirable. Nearly 20% of singles would be more interested in a romantically if you set an NFT as your profile picture on your social platform on a dating site. So 20% of the people would be interested if you had an NFT as your profile picture. All right. It says now 16% of Americans said they personally have invested in, traded, or used cryptocurrency, according to a survey, so about 16%. For adults between the ages of 18 to 29, the number jumped 31%. Also, men are more than twice as likely to use cryptocurrency as women, 22% compared to 10%. So yeah, if you're on the dating scene, you may want to put down your cryptocurrency, something about it in your profile, or like they say, you may want to have an NFT of yourself or something in the profile picture. So even the dating scene is getting affected with cryptocurrency. People are interested in looking if you have cryptocurrency or you're buying cryptocurrency. Do you know about cryptocurrency? All kinds of good stuff. All right, let's head back over to Dogelon Mars, price prediction. Check out the website. All right, over here at their website, Dogelon Mars. Now, this is the new website as a few months ago, facelift. You can buy the Dogelon Mars right here on 6 different platforms, crypto.com, Uniswap, OKEX, KuCoins, Huobi, and Gemini. This needs to be updated. There's over 500,000 people on their Twitter account right now. They got their Telegram group too. Basically, their roadmap, they have a comic scene that you can kind of check out their what's going on in the comics, what's going on with Dogelon Mars. Tells you their rank right here is 129, their market cap, their volume. Even gives you a quick how you can actually get Dogelon, swap the Ethereum and everything, a little rundown. All right, what's our price prediction? Taking a look at this over here. I would normally go over here and say, well, look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Our price prediction is we're going to crush one of these zeros and go to 5. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. We're only 82, we're only 18 away from that. Taking a look at Dogelon right here, again, it's up for the day, it's down for the week, and it's down for the month. So we got a lot of room to improvement. Up 772% for the year. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. So again, Dogelon right here, or Dogelon, 131 on coin market cap. All right, so if you're in the dating scene, mentioning cryptocurrency, putting it on your profile, getting an NFT as your profile pitch, all these could be good things. You know, like some people like to have a real handsome picture of themselves, or they like to talk about sports or this or that. Make sure you mention the cryptocurrency. It's kind of in right now. Dogelon Mars, most viewed cryptocurrency in North America. Fantastic. Whales are still liking it and gobbling it up. Remember, we want to follow the whales, what the whales are doing. They got research, they got stats, they got people that work for them. If they move on a coin, if they sell on a coin, you need to pay attention to it. All right, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. We'll see you a little bit later on today, everybody. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. Thanks for tuning in.